What's good, and welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we're gonna take you again to another food adventure. So join me as we chow, and let's go. Hey guys, so nanata karon guys sa Tagala's kitchen or chicken. Tagala's chicken guys is famous in Cebu for their crispy fried chicken, and we're gonna taste it today. We're gonna make sure we'll do our review, and come on, nata. So I've mentioned guys na sila butterfly chicken, crispy fried chicken, at the same time ngoyong. They're famous for their tasty sauce, sweet and spicy, and then they have like sweet chicken sauce. Let's try this. When you eat butterfly or crispy fried chicken here with goyong, you also pair it up with puso there. So our ates are preparing it, and different prices for different parts of the crispy fried chicken. Okay guys, so daghan you kay tao every day. When you're in Cebu, visit Tagala's near Cebuanos Hospital. So you'll need this plastic. Put in your hands to eat. Alright. There goes their chicken. Loyal. Puso. This is really famous in Cebu, as well as of course their butterfly chicken, their crispy fried chicken. Let's try if this is really crispy. Okay tayo! Struggle is real ang vlogging guys, basta daghan kay tao. Halos di magdungog. May baby oh. Ganahan po ng fried chicken. Look. So we'll have to give our review. This is chicken skin. Look, really crispy. Do it! Really, really great. I'm giving it a 9 compared to other fried chicken in Cebu. The difference is, of course, the taste. It has a distinct, really, that umami taste added in chicken because of the buttermilk that they put there and mixed with the chicken before frying. And what's good about this resto is they're serving the tidbits from the fried chicken, the ones that are crumbling after you fried the chicken, the ones that are really crispy, the buttermilk, the chicken skin mixed up. They're serving it as well as a side dish. So you better come to this resto because they're serving it as chicharron. It's really tasty. One of the many things a lot of people like about a fried chicken is all fried chickens are the same. Fried chicken, you have butter and then you fry it. But what makes the difference would be their sauce. Guys, it's totally amazing. Wherever you go in Cebu, they serve sauces for their fried chicken. But in Tagalas here, at Tagalas, the sauce is amazing. The spicy, peppery taste of their spicy sauce, and the sweet and sour for those who do not love spicy sauces really pinch a taste in your taste bud. It's great. It gives you the peppery, flavorful taste mixed well with ubud from our ngoyong. Ngoyong is ubud wrapped into lumpia wrapper. Chicken, crispy, juicy in the inside, crispy in the outside. Oh, the cliche, but it's given that unique taste because of their peppery sauce, peppery hot sauce, which is amazing. Really, really great.